Hey there, travel lovers! Ready for an unforgettable trip? We're about to dive into one of the most vibrant, energetic, and culture-packed cities on the planet, Bangkok. Whether you're dreaming of golden temples, bustling markets, or that incredible Thai street food, this 3-day itinerary has got you covered. We'll show you the best spots to hit without the stress of planning it all yourself. And hey, if you're like me and love a hassle-free vacation, I've dropped some handy links in the description for tours and activities that will make your trip a breeze. Let's explore Bangkok together. Day 1. Exploring Bangkok's iconic temples and a night on the river. Bangkok is famous for its stunning temples, and no visit to this incredible city is complete without exploring some of these breathtaking landmarks. On your first day, you'll dive into the heart of the city's spiritual and cultural heritage. Your journey begins at the Grand Palace, one of the most important and visited landmarks in Bangkok. This royal complex is a visual masterpiece, filled with intricate architecture, golden spires, and sacred statues. It was once the residence of the Thai kings and is still used for ceremonial purposes today. Within the grounds of the Grand Palace, you'll also find the Temple of the Emerald Buddha, Wat Pho, home to the revered Emerald Buddha statue, carved from a single block of jade. This site is not only stunning, but deeply significant to Thai culture and religion. After exploring the Grand Palace, you can head to Wat Pho, located nearby but at a bit of a distance. So keep that in mind as you plan your day. Wat Pho is home to the famous reclining Buddha, one of the largest and most impressive Buddha statues in Thailand. The golden figure stretches 46 meters long and is a striking sight to behold. Wat Pho is also the birthplace of Thai massage, so if you want to break from sightseeing, this is the perfect place to relax and enjoy a traditional Thai massage right within the temple grounds. Next, make your way to Wat Arun, located across the Chao Phraya River from Wat Pho. Also known as the Temple of Dawn, Wat Arun is one of the most photographed temples in Bangkok. Its towering spires, or prangs, rise up from the banks of the river, and the temple is particularly stunning at sunset, when it's bathed in a warm glow. Climb up to the top of the central prang for a breathtaking view of the city and the river below. To make your experience of visiting these iconic temples even smoother and more enjoyable, we highly recommend booking a guided tour. This is one of the best ways to explore Bangkok's main sites without worrying about navigating the city on your own. You'll have an expert guide to explain the history and significance of each site, making the experience more enriching. Plus, it's a hassle-free way to make sure you see all the highlights in a single day. Check the description for a link to the highest-rated Bangkok temple tour that travelers love. After a full day of temple hopping, it's time to unwind and enjoy a relaxing evening on the water with the White Orchid Chao Phraya dinner cruise. This elegant dinner cruise takes you along the Chao Phraya River, offering stunning nighttime views of Bangkok's most iconic landmarks, all beautifully illuminated against the night sky. While you sail, you'll be treated to a delicious dinner with free-flowing beer. The romantic ambiance and breathtaking views make this one of the best ways to end your first day in Bangkok. Don't forget to book your spot through the link in the description. Day 2. Discovering Bangkok's markets and Chinatown. Day 2 is all about exploring the vibrant markets and experiencing the bustling energy that Bangkok is so famous for. Start your day early with a trip to the Dam Noen Sarawak Floating Market, one of the most iconic and picturesque markets in Thailand. The floating market is located just outside Bangkok, and it's a truly unique experience where vendors sell goods directly from their boats. As you glide through the narrow canals in a long-tail boat, you'll see locals selling everything from fresh fruits and vegetables to handmade crafts and souvenirs. The atmosphere is lively and colorful, and it's the perfect place to immerse yourself in local culture. After experiencing the floating market, head to another one-of-a-kind spot, the Melong Railway Market. This market is famous for being set up directly on active railway tracks. When a train approaches, the vendors calmly fold away their stalls to let the train pass, and once it's gone, they quickly set everything back up as if nothing happened. It's a fascinating sight to see, and you won't want to miss capturing the moment the train rolls through this bustling market. Once you've explored the markets, head back to Bangkok for an afternoon in Chinatown. Bangkok's Chinatown is one of the largest and most vibrant Chinatowns in the world, and it's a must-visit for food lovers. Yaowarat Road is packed with food stalls and restaurants, serving up some of the best street food in the city. From crispy pork belly and dim sum to fresh seafood and mango sticky rice, you'll find an endless array of delicious dishes to try. Take your time wandering through the narrow alleyways, where you'll also find traditional medicine shops, gold traders, and beautiful Chinese temples. The energy here is contagious, and it's a great place to soak up the local atmosphere. If you're interested in a guided tour of Chinatown's street food scene, you'll find a great option in the description below. This is the best way to ensure you don't miss any of the must-try dishes and hidden gems. Day 3. Exploring ancient Ayutthaya and relaxing in Bangkok. For your final day in Bangkok, take a break from the bustling city and venture out to the ancient capital of Ayutthaya, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Located just a short drive from Bangkok, Ayutthaya was once the thriving center of the Siamese kingdom and is now a historical park filled with the ruins of temples, palaces, and statues. It's a fascinating day trip that offers a glimpse into Thailand's rich history. Some of the highlights in Ayutthaya include Wat Mahathat, where you'll see the famous Buddha head entwined in the roots of a tree, and Wat Chai Watanaram, known for its impressive prang towers and beautiful riverside setting. As you explore the ruins, you'll get a sense of the grandeur and significance of this ancient city, which was one of the largest and most prosperous in the world during its peak. To make the most of your visit, consider booking a guided tour that includes transportation to and from Bangkok. A guide can provide deeper insight into the history of Ayutthaya and ensure you see all the highlights. You can find a link to a top-rated Ayutthaya tour in the description below. After returning to Bangkok in the afternoon, treat yourself to a well-deserved traditional Thai massage. After 3 days of exploring, your body will thank you for the relaxation. Bangkok is famous for its spa culture, and there are plenty of places where you can unwind and rejuvenate. Let's Relax Spa and Healthland are two highly recommended spots offering a range of treatments, from traditional Thai massages to soothing aromatherapy sessions. There's no better way to end your trip than with a bit of pampering. If you have some extra time in the evening, consider visiting Lumphini Park, Bangkok's largest and most beautiful green space. It's a peaceful oasis in the middle of the bustling city, offering a refreshing escape from the crowds and traffic. The park is perfect for a leisurely walk or a quiet moment by the lake where you can watch locals practicing Tai Chi, joggers taking their evening run, or even spot one of the park's famous monitor lizards basking in the sun. Lumphini Park also has designated areas for outdoor fitness, cycling paths, and paddle boat rentals if you're in the mood for something more active. As the sun sets, the park's serene environment provides the perfect backdrop to relax and reflect on your 3-day adventure through Bangkok, offering a peaceful end to an exciting trip. Before we wrap things up, here are a couple of important tips for visiting Bangkok. First, when you're visiting temples, make sure to dress modestly. This means covering your shoulders and knees, so lightweight pants or long skirts and a breathable shirt are perfect. Bangkok can get really hot, especially during the day, so dressing comfortably is key. Speaking of the heat, stay hydrated and protect yourself from the sun. Carry a reusable water bottle, wear sunscreen, and don't forget a hat or an umbrella for some extra shade. And that wraps up our 3-day adventure through the incredible city of Bangkok. From its awe-inspiring temples to the vibrant markets and hidden gems, there's something here for every type of traveler. If you're ready to dive into these amazing experiences, make sure to check out the description for links to book the top-rated tours and activities we've mentioned. Thanks a ton for watching. If this video helped you plan your trip or sparked some wanderlust, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips, and we'll catch you in the next adventure. Happy travels!